Today I'm going to show you how to make a clean, professional-looking arrow in Photoshop 2024. Whether you're creating a quick infographic, annotating an image, or just want to point out something important in your next project, knowing how to make an arrow is a simple but powerful skill. By the end of this short tutorial, you'll be able to add arrows to any design in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First things first, open up Photoshop 2024 on your computer. Give it a moment to load up. It doesn't matter if you're starting fresh with a blank document or working on an existing project. Once Photoshop is open, go ahead and open the document where you want to add your arrow. If you're just practicing, feel free to make a new file. You can always delete it later. Next, look over at the toolbar, usually located on the left side of your screen. You're going to want to find the line tool. This one might look like a tiny diagonal line, and it actually shares its spot in the toolbar with a few other shape tools like rectangle and ellipse. If you don't see the line tool right away, click and hold on the shape tool icon until you see a pop-out menu, then select line tool from the list. This tool is exactly what we need because it will allow us to draw a perfectly straight line, which will be the body of our arrow. With the line tool selected, head up to the top settings bar above your canvas and double-check that the fill and stroke colors are set the way you want. If you're not sure, just choose a bold color like black or red for now so your arrow stands out clearly. Now click anywhere on your canvas, hold down your mouse button, and drag in the direction you want your arrow to point. As you're dragging, you can hold down the Shift key if you want the line to snap perfectly straight, either horizontally, vertically, or at 45-degree angles. Release the mouse button when you're happy with the length and direction. That's your arrow's backbone. But of course, an arrow's not really an arrow without the point at the end, here where Photoshop makes it easy. With that same line tool still selected, look again up at the settings bar. This time look for the arrowhead options. You'll see checkboxes for start and end. So if you want the arrowhead at the start of your line, for example, pointing back to something important, click the start box. If you'd like it at the end of your line, which is much more common, check the end box instead. Photoshop will automatically attach a clean, sharp arrowhead to your line just like that. If it doesn't look quite right, you can adjust the width and length of the arrowhead right there in the settings bar until the arrow feels just right for your project. And that's it, you've officially created an arrow in Photoshop. You can move it, resize it, change the color, or duplicate it as many times as you'd like. Don't worry if your first try isn't perfect. The great thing about Photoshop is you can always undo, tweak, or start over until you're happy. Arrows are fantastic for presentations, process diagrams, step-by-step guides, or really anytime you need to direct your viewers' attention in a visual way. I hope you found this quick tutorial helpful. If you learned something new, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any questions or if you run into any issues, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And if you want more straightforward Photoshop tips and tricks like this, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.